So we did a little cost analysis on that though, Charlie. And if you have a truck with singles on them already, we think it pencils out. But if you have to do the conversion, maybe not so much.
Yeah, it depends on the situation.
If you could get a good deal on rims with a proper offset, which a lot of people don't understand, that the singles have to have an offset rim. And I can never remember which is which or what goes on which truck, Charlie. I don't know if you remember, but you
Yeah,
gotta
I
you
don't
gotta
know.
have the offset so that the weight is centered on the axle instead of too far to the inside or too far to the outside. In different makes and models of truck, you have to have a different offset depending on what axles they've got on them. And
Hey, Chris.
that's kind of what happened with Swift when they tested those. They had the wrong offset. We found that out,
Right.
and they were chewing up axles.